Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I want to show you guys how we diagnose wheel bearings here at our shop. A lot of people don't really know how to check wheel bearings, so I want to show you how we diagnose hundreds of wheel bearings a year, So basically, you've got your wheel, you've got your coil spring there. Now, what you can do first is put your hand on the coil spring, and if the tire's easy to spin, you can do it by yourself. I know a lot of times some tires aren't that easy, but you put your hand on the coil spring, spin the tire, and you can literally feel the difference. Like if you know wheel bearing's good, it'll feel so smooth. But if a wheel bearing is bad, you'll definitely feel the difference between them, So that's a really good way to tell if the wheel bearing's bad. I've had a couple that, still feel smooth, but you'll have play. So I guess it's kind of a situation to situation type of basis. But, if you put your hand on that coil spring and it feels rough, that's definitely, going to be a bad wheel bearing 9 times out of 10. So I just wanted to share this little bit of wisdom with you, and because I've seen people misdiagnose things and then fix something else thinking it's that, and then still having the same problem in the end. So I really hope this video helps you out. If it does, please leave a like, comment, let me know what you think about it, and learn something today. Well, thank you for your time and have a good one.